let's learn this fun version of Jingle Bells. A couple of things to remember. When I say step right or use your right arm, I want you to step right and use your right arm. I'm going to be your mirror, so if you just do as I say, it should work out perfectly. And once you learn it, I'd love for you to post it to social media and tag me. I'm at kelly.essentially. I can't wait to see your version. All right, let's get started. You can really do whatever you want at the beginning. You can have your feet apart, feet together, whatever works for you. You're just gonna ring some bells, da da da, da 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 da, da 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 da, whatever you wanna do. And then on the last beat, on count 8, you're gonna hop with your feet apart. From here, you're gonna step on the left foot first, and all you're gonna do is step together. So it's just step, we're gonna turn our body, so turn your body to the left, step left, and touch. And when you touch, you're gonna kind of lift up a little bit into the air. So just touch and push up. Then step on the right foot and turn. So step and touch. Let's do that again. So step and touch, step and left foot first, step and touch, step and touch. When you're doing that, your arms are gonna go, right foot's just gonna kind of come across, punch down, swoop, and then come up and snap with your elbows 90 degrees. So down, swoop, snap, down, swoop, snap, down and snap, down and snap. So you just have 2 of those though, but let's put it all together. So you just hopped with your feet apart. You're gonna step on the left foot first, punch your right arm down, swoop it around, and then when you touch your right foot, that's when you snap. So step on the right, punch your left arm down, swoop it around, bring that left foot in, tap, and snap at the same time. So you have step, swoop, tap, step, swoop, tap. Keep trying that. Tap, step, swoop, tap. Turn your whole body when you step. Turn it all the way to the side one more time. All right, good job. All right, so you just did the snap. The next part, you're just gonna switch the weight in your feet. So you're touching like this, just put all the weight on your left foot, pop that right knee. When you do that, you're gonna cross your arms and look to the left, uncross, tap each shoulder with right hand and left hand at the same time, and then you're gonna push down as you hop straight up and hop. So you just did the snap, you're gonna switch the weight, so pop that right knee, open it up, push down. All right, so you just did the snap, pop right and push. So let's do it with counts so you kind of understand how it goes. From the top, you're here, so step on the left foot first. So you have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, switch 5 and 6. So do you see what I did there? I kind of like 5, I popped my right knee, and when my hands come to my shoulders, I kind of get ready, and then I jump. Let's try that again with counts. Starting with the left foot, you have 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, and from here you're going to step out with the right foot, jab that right elbow to the side, and throw your head to the right rather. And then you do the same thing to the left. So it's just jab, jab. You're kind of throwing your hip out as well. Jab, jab. So let's put all that together. That's 8 counts. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Let's try that again. Step left foot first. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Switch. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. From here, cross your arms at the forearm, and then you're going to just open them up as you lean over to the right. So it's kind of like what you just did with the jab, but instead you're opening your arms. And then you cross and you open. So just cross, open, and you kind of like, you got to get a little bit funky with it here, whatever that looks like for you. Okay? So you just have 2 of those. Let's go ahead and finish it up because this is the last step. This is a short dance. You were just right here. Keep those feet apart. Put your left hand on your hip. Right arm's going to go up. You're going to do the same thing with your feet. So hip to the right. This time the right arm is going to go to the right. Head is going to go with it. Swing everything to the left. Do a big hip circle with the arm, and then back to the right. So you just have right, left, right, and hip. Let's try everything from the top. So you did whatever you want with the bells. Ba 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 ba. Out. Step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch the knee. 5 and 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That, my friends, is the whole dance. So let's do it from the top. You have ba 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 da ba 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 da ba 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 bum. Out. From here, step on the left foot. Left and snap. Right hand snap. 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Cross up and sit. Cross and sit. Hips. Swing, swing, circle, and swing. You did it. It's so great and simple, isn't it? And it's kind of slow too, which is nice. Let's do it one more time. Here we go. Ba, 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 da, 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 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Cross. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hip. 5, 6. Circle. 7 and 8. Thank you so much for learning this dance with me. It means so much, and I really appreciate you being here. I can't wait to see your version. Be sure and post it to social media and tag me. Until next time, bye.